Hello everyone! Welcome back to Michelle Kindia Vlogs channel. And I look like a witch right now because of my hair. It's getting hot here in Metro Manila, so my hair is not cooperating as well. But anyway, welcome back, and this is episode 4 of our condo DIY makeover. And because this is just a small channel, I decided to splice it in multiple episodes because it'll be too long if I will be putting it in just one video. And also, for those who haven't yet, please follow me on my Instagram. That's queen_Michelle_M for life updates and more. I post DIYs there as well on my IG stories, so follow your girl there. I post more regularly on my Instagram, so follow me there. And for those who haven't yet, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Let's clean our window blinds this time. Everything is mostly cleaning today, so let's go ahead. This is what we're gonna do today. I have 4 window blinds over here. This is the baking soda and vinegar mixture. I'm not using any soap for cleaning all of this, as you can see. I already rinsed all of this 3 blinds with water. I already sprinkled it with our hose, and then we will be doing this in time-lapse. Kulang yung suka ko. Sana sapat para sa lahat, but I doubt it. Let's do a comparison of the before and after first, guys. This is the blinds for our living room. See how dirty it is. Because remember, guys, this has been installed in our condo for more than 10 years already. Wow. So what can you expect? I just live by wiping it down with a clean cloth, and I was constantly dusting it when we were still living there. So that is the before scrubbing with baking soda, and this is the after. See? You don't really need soap for this one. You don't really need detergent powder or liquid detergent for this. Baking soda and vinegar are enough. So this is right after scrubbing. See the difference? See how white this is from compared to this one? And this is our finished blinds. I know this is a bit folded, but because I accidentally left the air fryer facing this backwards, and the heat coming from the air fryer went here, so this is what happened. This is from our kitchen, so this is how it looks like. I'm letting this air dry overnight, and as we speak, it is the Typhoon Pepito at the moment. And it is not raining that hard, to be honest. I want to do things my way, especially with household chores and stuff like this. See how obsessive I am with cleaning everything. So let's continue on until we finish all of this. This is the dirtiest. This is from the bedroom. Why it is the dirtiest? Because I don't have window screen on my master bedroom. That's why it is the most humid area in our condo unit. So FYI, guys, you should put window screen on your bedroom and keep the windows open as much as possible so that moisture won't accumulate inside the bedroom or the room. Maintain proper ventilation para hindi magkaganito yung blinds natin. See, the dirtiest is from the bedroom. Apart from the kitchen blinds, of course, this is the dirtiest. Second is the bedroom blinds. So, tapusin na natin. I'm running out of time. So this is the baking soda. I already finished pack of this. We will be opening a new one. Let's pour some of this in our basin. And the more baking soda, the better. And then this one, this is the biggest bottle of Dato Puti. So I already consumed most of it. This is the only thing left here. I already finished one pouch and then this one, and then the rest will be used for the remaining wines. So shall we finish it? We will be leaving a small amount here just in case. And now we will be wearing our latex gloves once again. This is an eco-friendly cleaner, guys. Instead of using soap or a detergent for cleaning your household materials, this is a better cleaning solution for all of your cleaning needs at home. Kasi guys, oh, diba? It's from your kitchen, it's gentle to the skin, and it's all natural, diba? Although, bottled nga pala to, tsaka ito processed sila pareho. But, they are lesser evil than your regular detergent, powder, or liquid. So, let's go on a time lapse once again. Down to the last one, guys. Look how dirty that is. This is the blinds for the kitchen. See how yellowish it is? And then we will do the magic after this time lapse. Hindi pa tayo nakakapag-vinegar and baking soda solution. Pero nawala ng yellowish color of the blinds. So it means it just needs a good wash. See? The yellowish color has disappeared a bit. Wow! And now we will be using the vinegar and baking soda solution. And we're done. I just hope the strong winds won't blow this blinds away, you know. Natapos din sa wakas. Sana hindi tangayan ng hangin. Pinahaba ko dito eh, para safe. Yan yung pampabigat. Hindi naman siguro tatangayin yan ng hangin. Wala namang hangin eh. Ito yung dalawang maiksi. Kasi namin. Kasi pag ito yung nasa gate, mas mag-usually pa rin. Kasi mas maiksi. Done!
3 days later.
So here you are, guys. No one's helping me, so I will tie everything myself. Kailangan ko sana siyang i-put together. Kaya lang I don't have someone to help me out. So we will be doing this ourselves. And bring all of this to the pickup truck. And hinahabol ko yung araw, guys. Kasi medyo maaraw dun sa compartment ni Navara. So we better hurry up. Oh no, that's what I'm talking about. Yan na yung araw. We can do this. Nagsaldera na ako. Init eh. Grabe. Hirap mag-isa. Yes, I wanted to do things my way. But, syempre, iba pa rin yung may tumutulong. Helping me out in doing things my way, right? Kasi, this is not an easy task. Katulong ko si Zeph nung nakaraan dito eh, nang nag-load kami dito. Guys, ito mapagkasya. Hirap na mag-isa. Ito nag-ahari. Ano ko ito ilaload? Nung nakaraan kasya naman ko. Tingin nyo masasara ko to.
Just then.
Nasara ko naman. Thank God. Tapos din. Yan yung kamay ko, guys. Sakit. Dati-dati, they used to call me candle fingers. Pero ngayon, wala na.